On November 7, 2024, Restoration Crosscheck will have its weekly expert briefing. And this episode will be on a very important topic, which is adjuster relations. Mark, tell us a little bit about what you're going to cover with Jeff Taxier.
Yeah, thanks, Ed. I'm really looking forward to spending time with all of you and one of my favorite persons in the world, that's Jeff Taxier. And we're really going to delve into a few things on my side from the contractor's perspective. I'm really going to encourage contractors to build a relationship with the customer from the very beginning of the job by carefully explaining the process and really building that level of confidence that the property owner can have with you so that the time an adjuster gets involved, you have built that credibility and that customer realizes that you're on their side and that you're trying to do the best job for them to return their property to pre-loss condition.
Policyholder has the power against the insurance company. Is that right, Jeff?
The insurance company is the one that's writing the check. Let's face facts, right? So the restoration company, in my opinion, too many of them make the mistake of trying to hide their involvement from the insurance company until the work is done, and then they pound the insurance company with their invoice and their documentation, and just keep their fingers crossed that someone's just going to turn around and send them a check. I think they're learning pretty quickly that's not happening. It's not happening anymore. And I really think that's a mistake. Restorers need to get the insurance company and the adjuster involved right at the beginning. Set the table, let them know what you're doing, let them know why you're doing it, and most importantly, invite them to meet you at the loss location. A lot of them are saying, I can't do that. I can't send somebody. Then you say, fine, I'll send you detailed documentation. I'll keep you informed. And then you've got them where you need them to be.
So please join us on November 7th. That's Thursday at 7 a.m. Pacific time for the Restoration Expert Briefing on Adjuster Relations. This will be featuring Jeff Taxier and Mark Pasculli. They're going to talk about tailoring the initial communication to the type of referral that you received. Going to talk about gathering information for seamless claims, ensuring legally sound agreements, and building trust with carriers and adjusters. You can sign up now at restorationcrosscheck.com/briefing or by scanning the QR code on your screen. We look forward to seeing you on November 7th at the Restoration Expert Briefing.